Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer Flo Get The Door. We're going to start off with Baby Girl Lacquer as my base coat. It's a peel off. And then we've got MJ Lacquer Flo Get The Door. This polish is screaming my name. I am still ate up with those flakies. I'm just loving the way they look. I did cap my free edge first. I like to do that with some polishes. And now I'm going to go in for that first coat. Look at those flakies. So pretty. And here we go with the second coat of Flo Get The Door. I'm really liking this one. I was excited to wear it. Got an excellent formula on it. I've got two coats on, and now we're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. This is going to be my first top coat. And we're going to cap that free edge again. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. Today I'll be stamping using Mix 2 Stamping Plate by Bunny Nails. I'm going to be using that image right there. And I'll be using this Color Alike. And this is Be a Rudolph. It's like a chromy red. Got my Conad stamper and my Beauty Big Bang scraper out, but first I gotta get this plate ready. We're gonna get that blue film off of it and clean it with some acetone. I like to wipe it over with a paper towel, and then we're gonna hop on into some stamping. Now it's been a hot minute since I played, so I'm gonna end up stamping this very same image on all of my nails today. I was gonna try to be good and do all of them but one, or just do some, and nope. Didn't happen that way. I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller and cleaning that plate off with pure acetone, and we're going to continue on. There we go. Another coat of polish across the top, and you don't have to go down as far as I've gone down on this one, but you don't have to put that much polish on it. I was playing, so I just went crazy. I really like this image though, because it's letting a lot of that base color still show through. And that is really nice. And the reason why I picked this stamping polish was one of the chrome flakies that's in this polish had that same coloring. And so I was just trying to match it up a little bit with that. You can do that when you do glitter mixes or glitter polishes. Just pick one of the, colors that's already in it, and that that would work real well. And see, I've skipped my ring fingernail thinking I might do something different. No, I'm gonna use the leftover polish that was left on the scraping card and just run over that image and use it, kind of like recycling it. I'm gonna go in with a piece of tape here real quick and clean up the excess from around my fingernail. Can't remember. I think I remember to put my Burt's Bees on this time around my cuticles and stuff. It's coming up really well. And now I am going to go in with my Clean It brush and some acetone. I do have a little bit of acetone additive in this, so it's not so harsh on my cleanup here. Just going around the edge real quick. There we go. Look at there. So I'm going to top this one with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And once that is totally dry, I'll be going in with Poshe and sealing this all in with a nice glossy top coat. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. I want to wish everybody, a bunch of good healthiness at this time. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.